Hello traders, welcome to our brand new channel. Here we are going to talk about how you can earn money from Forex, which broker is best for you, broker reviews, daily and weekly market preview, and also sometimes we will discuss on live trade. If I talk about myself, it's been 5 to 7 years since I'm in this trade market and I have earned many profit and loss as well. Profit and loss is a part of trading, but however we get to learn many things from both. Through this channel, I'm going to share my experience, both positive and negative, to help others understand the do's and don'ts of trading. Also, I'm going to share a long-term prediction of major pairs which will help you to understand the movement of the market. There are very few Forex related channels available on YouTube who talks about live trading. So my motive is to share important stuff related to the Forex which you will hardly find on YouTube. Here I'm also going to talk about brokers and the reviews and my personal experiences with them. In short, you will find all kind of stuff related to Forex in this channel. And I'll try my best to post important content as much as possible, from which you will also learn to earn some bucks from the market. When I was a newbie in the market, at that time YouTube was not much popular. So I used to prefer website to gain knowledge related to Forex. As of now, I monitor some of the website and YouTube channels daily to upgrade my knowledge. However, there are many websites states that Forex is a gambling platform, and yes, it is true at some point. If you are willing to earn an unrealistic percent of amount for short term without any strategy, then of course it will be a gambling platform for you. But at the same time, if you have come up with a good strategy and willing to earn minimum but long term percent of amount, then it will be a better earning source for you. And you will definitely earn and survive in this market. Guys, I have seen many signal providers who promise a monthly return of 20 to 40%, which they actually do, but it doesn't last for more than 4 to 5 months. Until the moment of market changes, which normally happens every year. At that time, signal providers are not able to keep the promise and they give more losses to their clients. I'll suggest you to do not come into the market assuming an unrealistic figure, as all your investment will wipe out. If you know any trader who has been in this market for 6 to 7 years, you will find their monthly return 4 to 5% only. And believe me, you should follow such traders if you want to survive in this market for long term. If you feel this video helped you in any way, please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.